The human language is the most important tool any human being has. Sometimes we say this man or this woman has a significant command of the language. But it's not the command of the language that matters. What matters is whether you speak English, Japanese or German or Hebrew or Tamil or Sinhalese. It's not that. The language is there to bring harmony, synchronizations, partnerships, collaboration for people to build, to grow and enrich. But if the language you speak does not reveal proper things, the language that you hear, that you will not properly listen, then there is an issue. Many people are speaking, but they are not revealing. Many people are listening, they are not hearing. There's a big difference between speaking and revealing. When it comes to revealing, you have to tell and showcase the truth and the reality. When you are speaking falsehood, lies, you are not speaking really. You are really doing something different to speaking. If a true person speaking, he will reveal, showcase, starting from the truth and the correct things and the right thing. There are many people also listening, but they are not hearing. Many people, many times you can listen to many things. To hear it and understand it and fathom it, you need something more than just listening. When you properly speak, then you have to reveal things. When you properly listen, you have to hear it. And when you have that kind of a union takes place, what you speak reveal things, what you hear, what you listen, you hear properly, then there is harmony, there is collaborations, there is cooperation. Why there is so much of confusion despite the clarity of the language? It's not the clarity or it's not the command of the language. It's not the way you articulate, the vocabulary, the grammar that matters. The meeting of the minds, talking from heart to heart, is what is essential. There is no meeting of the minds. They don't see eye to eye. Nobody sees the big picture. The meeting of the minds not taking place. Speaking from heart to heart not taking place. Listening from heart to heart also not taking place. If this can happen, and I'm sure that there could be much greater harmony inside a family, inside a community, inside a society, inside a country, inside an organization. So you can have the best of the technology, best of the communication tools and the social media, but you'll be speaking, but you're not revealing. You'll be listening, but you're not hearing. And as a result of that, there is no harmony, there's no synchronization, there's no opportunity to grow, develop and enrich. Think about it.